firm believer that hard work always gets rewarded. Not in the timeline that we have set for us, and definitely not in the ways that we imagine for ourselves. But this is where the magic happens. This is where things get interesting. Where surrender meets effort, and faith meets action. Following your purpose, your real purpose, isn't supposed to be easy. If it was, then everybody would be doing it now. So the challenges that you're facing on your path right now, they're not bugs. They are the features on your path. They're supposed to make you stronger, more resilient, and more compassionate towards yourself and others who are struggling. They will make you more equipped to live the life that you're supposed to live. I remember when earlier in my life I used to go through these hardships, I would curse my life. Why is my life so difficult? Why is nobody else facing such things? Why does it have to be me? But I was asking the wrong questions, right? So after I faced these situations a couple of times, I realized that they were actually meant to build my character because they have made me who I am today. But I believe that it all worked out for the best for me. I would not have been this person if that had worked out. And I'm so proud of myself today. And I'm so proud of who I've become today. And it's only because of the hardships that I faced. It doesn't feel great at that moment, but in retrospect, they built my character. If you're on this journey, trust me, I'm again on this journey with you. And I just have faith that it's gonna work out. Because there is no other way. That is divine timing, It's not about sitting back and waiting for the things to happen to you. No, it's about consistently showing up for yourself, putting in that hard work, and just having faith. All the effort that you've put in has planted the seeds that will bloom when the conditions are right. Trust me when I'm saying this, that when your plans are not working out, it's God's plan that's at work. So whenever you feel like you're lost or you have so many questions, just ask. Ask universe, God, whoever you believe in, to just guide you, and you will receive the guidance that you want. If nothing else works out, just put one foot in front of the other and keep going. Sometimes what looks like a detour from your path is actually the right path. Sometimes what feels like delay is actually perfect timing. You will just know it later. Sometimes all you require is patience and faith. Keep doing the hard work and surrender, detach from the outcome. Do your part and trust the process. It will all work out.